Oh God, bro. Damn. It's interesting. Interesting for sure. Can respected that order block. And a break or two. It's interesting though. It's like, where do we go from here? Kind of already played this shit out. Will not lie. Came, fill this gap. What we kind of doing here? I honestly would like this for a retracement trade back up. I mean, shit. To me, this makes sense right here. I won't lie. Huh. Back into these wicks, like here makes sense for retraceable back up. I won't lie. I just don't really see a model in place. Yeah, but I do like going back up here. I do like that. Kind of makes sense. We just don't have anything really in place yet. Oh, bone. Oh, bone. It's pretty clean trade up though. Do like this. Yeah, I mean, shit. Realistically, it makes sense for a reversal here. I want to see this SMT get put in here though. A little SMT right here would be nice. Will not lie. Watch it, yes. Hope it dips a little bit because I like these longs though. Yeah, we have a nice long model. I won't even lie. All the way up to here, bro. I would probably take my profits off right here just to be safe. And we do have these stacked highs up here, right? So it looks good to me. This would be like your break even. Stop loss. It's NQ. Are you serious, bro? Fucking do it. My God. There we go. Go. That's exactly what you want to see so far. But maybe not. Who knows? we go. There we go. If we want to go lower, though, I mean, shit. We want to go lower. Or we're kind of in this solid area. Here it kind of makes sense. I like this for a reversal, but we'll fucking see, bro. Kind of just holding weak. I want to see some strong price action here. Still holding this low, but not looking too enticing so far. Rip, bro, rip. But yeah, like very interesting. Boring as hell. Boring as hell. Yeah. And to me, it makes sense, but that we reverse from here, but we're not doing that, so could want to just go lower. Don't like that we failed to protect this low too. Could just be just getting, you know, holding. I don't know. Generating some liquidity, you know, faking people out. Just gotta wait, I guess. Gotta stay patient here. You gotta stay patient here. But other than that, there's really no lows for till down here. Which like the fact that we swept out all these lows up, you know, it doesn't make sense that we want to come all the way back down here. It really does not make sense. So I don't want to see us hold up right here, but we'll see. I guess you can't force the market to hit. I guess apparently not. Boy, guys, market is market gay as hell, bro. You have some nice liquidity resting above us, so we'll see. Now it's weird because NQ is acting stronger than ES now, which is interesting for sure. ES now came down to this gap right here. It's very interesting. Very interesting. I would say NQ would probably be the stronger name to play than ES. Not gonna lie, I still like a long here. I really do. I really do. We have all this consolidation up here too. Nah, we are so cooked, bruh. But I do see that though. I do see that. I kind of like as well how NQ is starting to become the stronger, holding out better. Makes more sense. So yeah. But we might need to, build some liquidity. We might just get weak down here, you know what I'm saying? IP, brother. Yeah, I'm not really taking no more trades after it's, became this weak. It's the boring part of trading, bruh. This is the boring ass part. Where the fuck's my phone at, bro? Where's my phone at, bro? Oh, jeez. No, for real though, where is my phone? Type shit. Type shit, twin. Bro, this shit lame as hell. Boy, this shit lame as hell, boy. Boy, this shit lame as hell. Still faking motherfuckers out and shit. Boy, this shit lame as hell. Bruh. 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 Nah, for real though, fuck is we doing out here? For real though, fuck is we doing? Sweet, 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 sweet. So, so actually, bro, we're actually not doing nothing, bro. NQ's heavier today, so I'd probably go with ES for longs, bro. Real shit, real shit, real shit, real shit. Starting to kind of like the look of this, you know what I'm saying? We're in a place that you'd kind of expect us to, hold up, if you will. Alright. Jesus Christ. Let's see what happens. Just took this low. We did get a nice model here. Taking this higher high as well. Sweep this low on NQ. Q's kind of going with us. That's nice. I mean, for me, there's just no reason we don't come back up now. Like, taking out everything we need to take out. There's no liquidity resting below us. There's no real reason. We've taken out 1 hour lows, hit 1 hour objectives, right? To me, I think we're going up. I think we're going back up, but we'll see. We shall see, bro. At least to here, you know what I'm saying? Let me actually check something. I do have all these highs up here too, so it's like, why not? I like how ES is staying stronger than NQ, bro. Do want to give this shit a lot of room. His voice cracked, bro. Rip. That's already a 3R, bro. This is like a 4. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see here. I'm liking this so far. I'm liking the, nice displacement we're getting, right? These strong candles, you know what I'm saying? I do want to see NQ get some fucking legs here, though. I like how we broke. I want to see that. I want to see this candle be strong here. Break above here, and I think we're looking real good. But it's like, where do I think we go off of this, bro? I mean, it does. It makes sense that we want to come up to. I mean, it's obviously we're gonna come up to this high, like that. In my opinion, this is clear. Right, this is 1 hour high. It's do we want to come up all the way though? It's like, chat. Which one, chat? Which one do I do? I mean, the thing is, the way we're doing this is we're kind of respecting these P rays, right? So it seems like just a retracement down, then an expansion back up is what I'm thinking. So I kind of want to just let this play a little bit. Sucks that we couldn't get, more risk on, but obviously not about to risk $800. I do like what we're doing here on NQ. That's looking real good. Yes, looking even better. I think we just let this ride. I don't know. Probably set it to break even around here. It's just probably not break even spot. Now we pray to God. Now we pray to the Lord. The Lord and our Savior, Jesus Christ. You feel me? And Q's a bitch. Yes, it's cool though. It's facts. Yeah. I want to see this just continue up. I don't really care what we do in between here, honestly. Yeah, this 1 hour sweeps, right? It's looking good. In my opinion, it's looking good. We should come up to at least here, probably here, because this is just a retracement move down. We couldn't get any entries on the way down. But on the way up, though, right, this is kind of, in the way of the trend, right? We kind of just came back, retested, whatchamacallit. We retraced to rebound some price, right? Now we should expand up and go take liquidity, right? We've got the model in place right here. This low, 1 minute low, sweep up here, fake out. Nice, strong fair value gaps above here. I'm thinking that we're going to come all the way up here. So this is where we're going to put our stops to break even at this level. Though ideally, I wouldn't like to see price come back in here, but it could still happen, considering how the markets have been moving. Even NQ is looking better, but it's definitely a little bit heavy today. That's for sure. But I'm liking this so far. I'm liking this. Now we just don't gotta do shit, bro. All the planning's been done. Thesis been made. Trades been executed. Now that's the easy part. We just manage the trade. Our thesis is still intact. Everything's looking chill. Shit, we vibing. You feel me? I do want to talk about this because on the 30-second, we did have a nice little sweep right here. Then made a higher high. Lower low, higher high. Right, but we didn't have any fair value gaps in place, and the model really wasn't that strong, especially because we did kind of sweep this 1 minute low, right? NQ though, what even time low was that? 41. NQ that really wasn't even a key low that we swept, so it wasn't really, I don't know. You want your models to be more strong and obvious, right? Because look at this price action compared to that little price. That was just a wick, right? You want to see this price action be strong. Like, look at these fair value gaps, right? You want some fair value gaps in there. You want everything in there. So, yeah. Otherwise, we're just going to let this bitch rip and do what it wants. I really do think we come and get that All-time high again today. Me on the daily makes sense. It makes sense to me, man. It makes sense to me. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. And this wick obviously looking really nice so far. I want to see us break these PD arrays right here. Break these 15-minute PD arrays. On the 5-minute, broken this PD array, broken this. I want to see us stay strong though. Let's see us close above this order block on the 5-minute. But I do like how we've pushed into it so far. Already hit a nice 2R on this trade, but I think, you know, it makes sense we go higher. Now, NQ is actually so bitch made, though. That's crazy. I think I'm going to set my stops to break even as we kind of... Okay. We keep this high at even high. I like that. At this point, though, I really don't want to see us come down to a break even, so I'm probably just going to take a risk off here. But yeah, I want to see us respect these, you know, PD rays we've made on the way up so far. So let's see. This is going to be a good test right here. All right, not the best look so far. Realistically, though, I don't see a reason why we shouldn't just continue to move up right here. And everything we need to do. I think at least we come up into here off this before we come to break even, you know what I'm saying? I just want to shop around a little bit, though. Now it's once again the kind of the boring part of trading, bro. Just chill though. It's the chillest time to be a trader. Will not lie. Yeah, it's gonna be a trade. It's gonna take a minute. I won't lie. Trade will be taking a good little bit of time. Don't lie. But to me, it really just like, how are we not going to come up and take these highs, right? Just makes the most sense. So I'm gonna take my odds and just roll that shit. You know what I'm saying? Boring, boring. Do something cool, bro. And we have no news today, so it's just gonna be your last day, low key. Just trying to see if there's something I'm not seeing right here as to why we shouldn't go take all-time highs again. Yeah, shit. This low that we have should stay protected until we go take all-time highs. And probably expand higher today. I won't even lie. But yeah, this will be a nice little calm little trade. A nice little calm little trade. I might have to dip out before this trade finishes, which I probably will. I won't lie. But we'll see. Questions in the chat, chat. Questions in the chat. On God. On God. Throw some questions in the chat if you have any. On God. On God. Throw them questions in that motherfucker. Let's see NQ. Let's see if NQ is popping out. I'm guessing it. I mean, it's alright. It's okay, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of whatever. But yeah, good. We did good on seeing that ES was the better name to play, as it was. So but honestly, I think we could chop here for a little minute, bro. I won't even lie. Good chance we start to chop a little bit. Very good chance. We don't really have any news or anything like that, so yeah. Should I start an OnlyFans? Be hype. Be pretty fucking sick. The worst thing to do while you're in a trade is watch the PNL. It's the worst thing you could do. Fun fact. Fun fact. These ugly ass wicks though. Holy fuck. That's pissing me off. But yeah, probably right here is just gonna be some time dilution. Yeah. Probably just gonna be doing bullshit from in between here to here. Um, Probably just gonna be on some bullshit. But really, whatever happens in here does not matter. We came down, swept all these lows. Let me put on this real quick. Yeah, I think we want to come take London highs, right? We pushed down, swept Asia lows, everything like that. Retraced down, filled some imbalances, and now it just makes sense that we want to go up, right? IMO, this a good trade. This a real solid trade, IMO. I want to see ES be acting a bit better than NQ though. Which it kind of is, it kind of isn't. Nah, it is. It is. It is. It is. All right, let's chill. Let's chill. But notice how when we're making these wicks, we are wicking off these, you know, PD arrays now, right? We've broken this one basically, pushed up into it, but we're not pushing down further after this, right? We're holding up. They're just kind of holding us back, like a little road bump, if you will. So, just gonna wait this shit out, honestly. Shit looks pretty damn clear. Fuck, I'm out of notebooks. Sweet, sweet, dude. Keep doing it, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Nah, NQ's doing better. No, NQ's doing better. That's not cool. No, no, no. NQ's pushing up harder. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, NQ. Fuck you. Fuck you, buddy. Yeah, notice we're just chopping right here. Obviously, you want to see us break out, but there's a good chance we come down one more time. NQ, though. Fuck is you doing, NQ? Stop being better. Stop being better, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. NQ always does this, bro. NQ always does this. I'm gonna. Shit, there's an SMT right there. Let me see. Shit. If I saw that SMT right there, I'm like, okay, we kind of probably want to go down. Still wasn't a good entry. Yeah. Boring, 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 boring. I'm bored, I'm bored, I'm bored, I'm boring, boring, boring. Keep going, bro. Keep going, bro. We don't got too much time till lunch hour. This might be one of those trades that you just gotta wait all day for, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Nah, this shit always happens, bro. Why the fuck do I even trade? Why do you even try? What do I even try with ES, bro? Why do I even try? Sorry ass fucking. Sorry yeah name. Boy. Why do I even try with it? It's whatever. Don't get me wrong. We could, you know. Yeah, okay. We could always just, come down to here, but that really doesn't make sense, bro. Really, I'm betting against that, I won't lie. Um, yeah, really betting against that, I will not lie. Right now, yeah, we're probably just gonna chop, move up. We're gonna chop, probably, run this high, go a little bit higher, chop, run up to this high, all-time high. That's just my thesis. I don't know. That's just what I think. What do I know? What do I know? Whoa. Donald Trump just died. Rip, bro. Rip. Well, if this comes back to break even, I'll be damned. I will be damned. Bro, is the summer over? Is the summer over already? What the fuck? I'm liking how NQ popped back into here. I'm liking that. No way the summer's over already, though.
I wouldn't say that. Is August the end of... Nah, because if the summer's over, that means like the summer's 2 months long, bro. That just doesn't make sense. June and July is the summer? Fuck out of here. This is exactly what you want to see after. You want to see this being like a sweep type of thing. You know what I'm saying? Bang. Beautiful, beautiful. This is all just a little time dilation, get some liquidity running. You feel me? I like how we're respecting this first percent of 5 minute fair value gap. Where's our first presented fair? Oh, and notice that. Where's that? Where is that? Where's my thing? Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Now here is another good long opportunity. I feel like this low will probably get protected. You come and sweep out all this liquidity. And now you do want to wait for a model. So your risk to reward. Still not shabby. Still not even shabby. I won't even lie. You're definitely gonna have to wait though for some confirmation on that. So far, not a bad look. Just one of those days, man. One of those days, bro. Yeah, see if NQ's moving a bit better at all. No, it's not. Okay. Well, yeah, still the better mover, I guess, but honestly would be considering. Yeah, honestly would be considering getting back another entry in here. I would expect this low to get respected. Maybe something like this, though. And they're really not giving us good orders out today. Fought, man, fought. Real talk, twins. Real talk. Let's lock in here. Let's get this. Let's make this happen. It's called pushing the pot. It's called pushing the damn pot. I'm gonna wait for this, change in the state of delivery. This signifies to me that we're ready to, push up again, right? Can get rid of this level. But yeah. I'm liking this so far, though. I kind of almost want to get an entry in right here. Almost. Notice how I said almost. I'm not going to. But fuck, do I want to? So in 1 minute, that's still pretty ugly. Damn. Damn. Boring, boring, boring. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. This might be the time where shit gets kind of boring. I want to come sweep this low again. Who knows? Who really even knows at this point?
bruh. Brother folks. Fuck out Fuck out Fuck out Come on. I'm getting bored as hell. I'm liking, NQ being weaker. It's pretty chill. It's pretty cool. It's cool. I like that. But damn, oh, we really don't got the sauce. We really don't got the sauce, bruh. But honestly, I'm liking this. Probably gonna take a minute though. Shit. Shit, Twiz. I'm gonna set an alerts on NQ right here. Just in case. Just in case it tries to get fancy. Do some weird shit.
I do honestly think there's a good chance that this low gets protected, but definitely not willing to risk that yet.